guys, what's up? It's Annie. Today I'm in New York City and I'm staying at the Embassy Suites in Times Square, or near Times Square. And I wanted to do a hotel room tour for you guys. So if you want to stay here, you know what to expect. I've stayed here once before in December and I had an awesome time. I really loved all the amenities they have at this hotel. They have an evening reception and a free breakfast, which is awesome. But let's get to the tour. So when you first walk in, you have a door straight ahead of you, which I'm assuming is the bathroom. And then here is the actual room. You go down a little hallway, and first of all, you come to a rather large closet. Oh, I like that cubby up there. And then a good amount of room for your stuff, plus, ooh, a fancy safe with a red carpet. Wowza. And then there's another drawer. I like that for shoes. Oh, and then there's some space under too. Ooh, nice, kind of deep. All right, and then what do we have here? Ooh, a fridge and a microwave. Wow, I'm not gonna use these, but it's pretty nice. Actually, I got 2 free waters, so I'll put them in the fridge. Because I'm a Hilton Honors member, I got 2 free bottles of water when I checked in. So very nice. I like the little microwave. All right, and then you have a little coffee maker. I'm not a coffee drinker, so I won't be playing around with that. And then some shelves. I love shelves. They're my favorite thing ever. I'm only staying one night. I'm on a work trip, so I won't be utilizing a lot of this, but it's still nice to have. Here's your selection of coffees and teas in the room. The room is kind of separated into 2 areas, so this is kind of the living room. And you have a TV, you have a desk. My coat is on the chair right now. But here's what the chair looks like. And you have a phone, a good spot if you want to put a laptop there and do some work. The ironing board is in a little bit of a strange spot, but I guess I didn't have anywhere to put it. But you have this big couch right here, couch/room separator. And then there's also a table. Yeah. So that's nice if you want to eat in your room, eat on the couch. Let's see, is this a bed? Oh yes, so this can be a bed too. So that's awesome. Very nice. So that's that, the little living space area. There was a full-length mirror right here, kind of in a strange spot, because if you want to stand in front of it, you're kind of up right on it, but whatever, it works. So here is the actual bedroom. I think this is a king-size bed. Yeah, this is a king-size bed. So again, you have a king-size bed here, a pull-out couch. This room can sleep a lot of people. And then we have a TV here, a little luggage rack. I actually don't have a suitcase. I just brought a backpack with me since I'm only staying one night. And then I like these little cubbies. I'm a big fan of cubbies. I will link all my hotel tours all over the world below, so if you want to check them out, you can. If you've ever watched my Viking room tour, you know that I love some cubbies. But yeah, nice little area. We got the light, and then down here we have some outlets. Are there some by the other side of the bed? I'm sure there are. Yes. And then an alarm clock, but who really uses an alarm clock in a room anymore? Maybe somebody. Then let us see what our view is. This is way nicer than what I had last time I stayed here. Last time I looked into a little alleyway, but my view today is on 37th Street, and that's the street that the hotel's on. So I'm right at the front of the hotel. And then over there is Avenue of the Americas. Now let's check out the bathroom, or whatever is behind the closed door. Oh, okay. Oh, a little tight, but it's just me. You have your big lit up mirror here if you wanna do your makeup with some lights. Got some towels, nice sink, more towels, toilet paper, hairdryer. Let's check out the hairdryer. I don't use a hairdryer, but I know other people do, so Hold on one second, I need 2 hands. So here's the hairdryer you get in the room, complete with, I think, someone's hair that was left behind. And then you've probably seen these Neutrogena toiletries in other hotels that you've stayed at, especially if you've stayed at Embassy Suites before. But I did not bring shampoo and conditioner, so I will be using these tonight. So then here is my shower. Very nice shower. Ugh. Oh, we have more soap in here. Sweet. This is nice. I like it. Before we move on to the rest of the hotel, I'm going to give you one more overview of everything. But again, this is your living space right here. I haven't located the iron. Again, there's an ironing board there, but I haven't located the iron, so we'll have to find that. But that is your living space. And then here is the bedroom. So it's a little cramped, I would say, if you had multiple people, but if you're just one person, it's super cozy and nice. Oh duh, I found the iron in the closet with the hangers. Makes sense. The thermostat is currently set to 72, but we're definitely gonna make it colder. Probably go to 68. But it does feel really nice in here, even though it said 72, it feels nice and cool. So that is a big plus. I always like to be cold rather than hot, so my hotel rooms tend to be a little on the chilly side. All right, let's go check out the rest of the hotel. So here's the gym. It is on the 2nd floor. Oh, this is pretty nice. Wow. Looks very spacious in here. Wow, look at this terrace. Ooh, that would be nice for some yoga classes. Cool, you got a few treadmills, TV. Oh, and then this is nice. This is this overlooks the lobby, but you have the frosted glass, so. Ooh, nice. Yeah, there's the lobby down there. Cool. Some towels, some yoga mats, a step. Awesome. Yeah, I like the frosted glass because then nobody can really see into you working out. Sweet, this is super nice. I don't know if I'm gonna come in here at all, but it's nice to know it's here. And it's nice for you guys to know it's here. Let's look at the hours because I didn't see that on the door. Oh, open 24 hours a day. You just need your room card. There's another shot of the lobby from the 2nd floor. Let's go down there. I just had lunch here. It's right around the corner from the hotel, just a block away, and it was so delicious. I sat in one of these cute little tables outside and it was so good. 37th Street is right ahead, which is where the hotel is, and then all you have to do is make a right once you get on 5th Avenue, and it's right there, so super convenient. So this is the front of the hotel, and you walk right in on the 1st level to the lobby. Here's a little computer lab they have right by the lobby, and I need to print out my ticket for tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I love this wow sign, that's so cute. And what else is over here? There's an ATM, some restrooms. There's a lot of hangout space over there too. Here's what it looks like when you get off the elevator. Lots of purple, they must be Ravens fans. And then a cool mirror. And then my room is right by the stairwell. 606. That restaurant is a really good option if you want a quick bite right around the corner from the hotel. It only took me a few minutes to walk there and back. And it was just really nice that they had tables outside and I could just sit there and chill. I got a quiche and a soup and a Diet Coke, and it was a little over $16, so I was happy with that for my early dinner. And now I'm gonna go get all dolled up and head to the evening reception here at the hotel at 5:30, so I can show you guys around there. And then I have a Broadway show I'm going to tonight. I'm actually going to see To Kill a Mockingbird, and Ed Harris is starring in it. This is actually his second night in it, and I'm really excited. I think I have first row tickets that I purchased, so it's gonna be pretty amazing. So yeah, I need to get all dressed. I need to get showered and dressed for that before the evening reception. So I purposely didn't bring toothpaste on this trip because I figured the front desk had some for free, and they did. They just sent me up a toothpaste and 2 toothbrushes. I don't need the toothbrushes, but I'll save them for a rainy day. I wanted to show you this so you saw the layout of the hallway. Again, there's 3 elevators right here, and then there's rooms on both sides. And this is the front of the building, and this is the back of the building.
We'll let it slide.
Hey guys, so as you saw, I went over to the evening reception. It was packed. I don't think they had the overflow room open, so it was a lot of people in there, and as soon as I got up, someone took my table, which was good. I like pretty much motioned to the lady to take my table when I left. But yeah, they had hummus, carrot, celery, what else? Oh, little naan bread, churros, and popcorn. Churros, man, I was happy about that. That's exciting. And I got a Chardonnay and a sangria. I drank the sangria and then I just had a little bit of the Chardonnay. I'm not really a Chardonnay drinker, but the other wines were an upcharge. I think the only whites that were included was Chardonnay and white Zinfandel. I'm not really into either. I drank too much white Zinfandel back in the day, so yeah. But it was a nice vibe. I love how they have soda for free out of the fountain there. That is really nice. And the bartender was super friendly. He introduced himself to everyone and he asked for everyone's name, which was really sweet. He's super nice. So yeah, I'm gonna head to my show now. I'm really nervous about getting there on time because they have sent so many emails saying that if you are not seated by the time like the show starts, like you don't get to go until intermission. So I'm never late for a show. I'm always super early, but I'm still like just nervous about it. So I'm gonna head over now. It's about 6 o'clock and the show starts at 7. Hey guys, I am here. I cannot believe it. I am so excited, yet so nervous. I don't think I've seen a show in the Schubert before, but yeah, I'm psyched. Hey guys, so that ends my tour of this New York City hotel. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. And until the next vlog, bye guys!